Okay, you ready for Canva? Ready for your book cover? Here we go. If you're not already here, go to readpossible.com/Canva. That's it. You will get here. Remember, you only need the free plan. Free plan's fine. You don't need any of this other stuff. Free. Sign up. That would be it. If you don't already have an account, sign up. That's it. Login name, password, you know the deal. That's it. I'm going to log in real quick and I'll show you the deal as I log in. I do have a pro account. There are some features that are awesome. You don't need them at this point. There we go. Okay, so I use Canva a lot. I'm a huge fan. But let's do right now. What's this? We're going to do the simplest thing ever. We're going to do a book cover because I want to show you this as fast as possible. Here we go. There, over on the left, we are currently in book cover mode because it already did the correct formatting, that 1410 by 2560 or whatever it was. So I can search for a template book cover. It already did that. Then I can do business book cover or ebook cover, right? So you go through here, you pick one, that looks pretty, click, add, you're done. You come over here, you edit, you change this to your one word, right? Whatever that is, right? There's mine. So I you play around with this a little bit. You can make more, add page, like, I kind of like that one, but I'm going to work on another one. Great. This is a 4-page thing. I'm not sure what that's all about. We don't need all that. We just need a cover. I'm going to go for nonfiction to see what they got, because that's very different, of course. Nonfiction book covers. I'm looking for, this is the one-word book, so I want really simple. I probably just want some text, like that's nice. I can also just sit here and click a bunch, keep adding pages, and just choose ones I like and work on them later. Let's find something. I kind of want to find something that I don't recognize because I use this a lot and I start to recognize out in the wild things that people use. Yeah, I like big words. I think I've even used this one before. That's funny. Okay, focus. What do I want? Focus. Hello, that's the name of my book. For you, if you're going to do a one-word book, right? Maybe we find one with a okay, here we go. Here we got some big words, right? And now, for the sake of sanity and getting this thing done and not worrying about this forever, let's just pick something. I'm going to pick another one. Let's do, what if I did like really simple book cover and see what that gets me? So, see what I'm doing? I'm just typing in, I could do fancy book covers, right? It kind of looks the same. Ooh, 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 that's kind of fun. Right, whoa, okay, that's a little horror movie, kind of scary. But then you'll see, oh, there's even more stuff down here. Okay, these are kind of freaky. Oh, 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 whoa. Okay, that's freaky. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This could totally be my focus book, right? Okay, can you see the rabbit, what's it called? The rabbit trail, the rabbit hole? How I'm falling down it already, and I am trying to teach you to not go down the rabbit hole, and how I am playing with the rabbit hole. Okay, that's fun, right? Okay, this is very spiritual here. Focus. Bradley. Okay, so I'm going to edit. Ready? Oh, whoa. Speaking of focus, it's like no longer in focus. Okay, I'm done. Right? Do you get the idea? I'm done. And you can play around with this as long as you like. I mean, what have I done this? About 6 minutes, and I've got how many book covers, right? So can you see the fun in here? I personally like these big words. So I would probably do this one. Bestseller. Okay, I kind of like this that it has the different font for the first name and the last name. That's kind of cool. All right, I might do my subtitle here. Oh, in fact, I think I'll stick with the. I have used this before, because I like this one here. And see how it's helping me with where to place it and stuff. I mean, it's amazing. There we go. Change the color. Oh, is that two-tone? Interesting. There we go. There's my book cover. That's a terrible subtitle. Subtitle here. Okay. That's it. So now what would I do? I'm absolutely going through this entire thing. I'm just going to do it anyway. This gets a little more complicated because I want to download this. You got to get down there. What do I want? I want a JPEG usually. And then I've got 7 pages. I don't want all the 7. I want the current one. I want current page 3. Done. Download. Can download my file. You download the file. Great, thanks. And then what am I going to do? I might as well just go crazy and go over here and show you over in Readsy. Export my book. I don't want to export yet. I want the settings. I want to upload book cover, upload file. I'm going to go find that folder, that thing I just downloaded. Look at that. There it is. Upload. And now I have in Readsy, I have a book with a cover. I can go back to my book. There it is. That's it. Okay, I'm going to stop. You can see how you can go nuts in here and spend 10 hours or 10 days or 10 weeks. It's super fun, but I recommend, go select 5 or 10, make a quick decision, get it done, put your title, name, and subtitle on there, and download, and you can play with it later. Okay? See the fun? I know, it's fun, right? Okay, stop having fun. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.